What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sports Science Excel. This is episode number 8. Today we're going to quickly go over find and replace, okay? So this can be handy again in a database, trying to keep everything nice and clean. And a lot of times when you're importing data from other softwares or other technologies, this can be a very valuable function, okay? So first, I'm going to start by replacing. Let's say you made a typo on an athlete's name and it's reoccurring throughout your entire document over the course of time. You need this fixed, okay? So let's go here, and actually I'm going to first hit Control H, okay? It's going to pull up the find and replace window. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit Control Shift and the down arrow. It's going to highlight the entire column. And let's say I misspelled MacDonald, and it should be, let's see, MacDonald should be spelled McDonald. Donald, okay? So knowing that this occurs multiple times throughout the entire document, I'm going to hit Replace All, and this Replace All includes all of the names that are highlighted, okay? So it's going to find all the McDonald's and replace it with McDonald as shown here. And let's say there's if there was another column with a similar error, it would not replace it unless it was highlighted. So let's hit Replace All. Now automatically McDonald is now present throughout the entire column, okay? Very useful tip there, especially if we're working with some data validation options, okay? So now, one thing that you might find when importing data is that the numbers, the import is included with text as shown here, okay? So it shows that this player, this individual threw 89 miles per hour. That's included within a single cell. Well, if we're running stats or averages or anything that requires a formula, we're going to have to get rid of the MPH, okay? Just isolate the number within the cell. So again, I'm going to come here, I'm going to hit Control Shift, down arrow, and then up here, I'm just going to type out MPH. I'm going to leave the replace with blank, okay? Hit Replace All. And now you have it. Now, up here, all we gotta do is say MPH. And we know, based off our header, what these numbers are referring to, right? Okay, so now we can run any type of statistic that we need. I hope that you find this useful. I know that when dealing with large documents and multiple databases, this can be a very useful tool. And I hope you learned something new. I hope you can implement it into whatever it is that you are creating. And yeah, stay tuned for the next episode where we're going to talk more about, let's see, absolute and relative cell referencing. And if you want to learn more about special options of pasting, just refer back to episode 7, as well as some simple column and row height, alignment, wrap text, and merging cells. If you want some tips and tricks on those, refer back to my earlier episodes, okay? All right, thank you so much for tuning in today, and we'll see you next time.